Hey guys, I'm here to respond to a comment someone dropped on my last video. So I'll be reading it out so you guys can also pick one or two from this. So the person said, Abegi, share routine for acne prone skin. Nice vlog. I have used that retinol, but it broke me out. First of all, the video I posted during my skincare time, among the products I used retinol. That's why the person dropped this comment. So first of all, if you've used retinol and it broke you out, it's fine. Skin differs, okay? So without too much talk, I will dive right into some products that I have here. And these are products that I've used. These are products that I've used personally and I'm still using it. These are the products I use to get rid of acne. As an acne prone skin girl or guy, whatever, there are products that you need in your routine. If these products are not in your routine, I wonder what you are doing. The very first product I'll be bringing up is a face wash that you can get, okay? This is it. Hope you guys can see it well. I'll be putting out the picture though, just in case you didn't get the clearer view. This is face fat ceramide skin barrier complex face cleanser. Here it says blemish clarifying foaming cleanser, 5 ceramides plus 2% salicylic acid plus niacinamide. The salicylic acid in this face wash would help with your acne. The good thing about this face wash is that you get to use it at night. You get to use it at night. Mark my words, use it at night. And then once you just use it on your face, you rinse it off. Just wash your face and then you rinse it off. This is a very good face cleanser to get as an acne prone skin. And it's good for all skin type, whether you have sensitive, it's good for all skin type. Then the next product I'll be bringing up is this salicylic face serum. It's also by Face Fat. This serum is very, very nice. It's going to smoothen your skin and texture. This is nice. Now, the whole products I have here, I'll bring up. I'm not saying you should buy everything. I'm just showing you the products to use, and then I will tell you how to use it. And if you feel like getting this one, this is how to pair it. If you feel like getting this one, this is how to pair it. But I'm just showing you the products that are good for acne. Now, the next serum we're bringing up is, remember, after your face wash, after washing your face, this is the next thing you're going to apply, which is what? Your serum. Then the next one is this ceramide from Face Fat. You see this serum, if you don't have it in your routine, you don't have it in your routine. I don't know what you're doing. This helps with skin barrier. One thing about treating acne, dark spots, hyperpigmentation is that your skin barrier is it's not even likely your skin barrier will be tampered with if you're using treatment products. Your skin barrier is at stake. So you need all this, you need this ceramide to help your skin barrier. Okay. Now, the next thing I'll be bringing up is what? Moisturizer. This moisturizer from Face Fat is nice. This is salicylic acid plus ceramide. Now, I'm not going to advise you using this and this in same routine, in same like your morning routine, your night routine, you're using it. No. Our advice is either you get this face wash or you get this. Even if you want to get the two, make sure that you have another another moisturizer you're using. Don't just use the two. The next moisturizer you can get to pair with this, you can use this at night. It's not you use this at night and then you use this simple moisturizer during the day. You understand what I said? Use this at night and then use this during the day. This is simple, hydrating, light moisturizer, and it's really, really nice. It's really, really nice. It's going to help moisturize your skin. It's going to help lock in those products you've used. This is really, really nice. And then the next product I'll be bringing up is this toner. This toner from Face Fat. Sorry, this toner from Simple is very, very nice. The name Simple, that is it. It's very simple. Some of you use toners that irritate your skin. This is okay. It's not going to irritate your skin, trust me. It's not going to irritate your skin. It's very, very calm. And next I'll be bringing up is this Stellene niacinamide. You guys know what niacinamide is for, right? Niacinamide helps to reduce irritation and it also helps with dark spots. So when you're using these products for your acne, remember to get a good niacinamide serum to help with your acne. Okay. Now there is another moisturizer that I have up here. This is Dizia moisturizer snail 92 multi action cream. This is very, very nice. It's going to help hydrate your skin. One thing you should know is when taking care of acne, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, anything treatments, you mustn't lack moisturizer. Some of you say, no, as an acne girl, there's a lot of oil, I'm oily, I have oily skin. What am I doing is moisturizer? Yes, you need moisturizer to hydrate your skin, you need moisturizer to moisturize your skin. Like, you need to moisturize your skin whenever you use all these products because they have their own way of blending your skin tone. Okay? And then you can also get this face cream from Aquarish. This contains niacinamide plus alpha apatine. You can also get this, and this is also going to get the work done. And then the oka pata pata, the father, the mother in this routine is what? This azelaic acid. This is the mother, the father. This is the key. This is the key. Azelaic acid, this particular 20% azelaic acid gel. This is the this is topping the chart. This is the one that is topping the chart. Now, how do you use this product? And please don't forget your what? Your sunscreen. You can't be using all these products I brought up and you don't have a good sunscreen. Mark my words, good sunscreen, not anyhow sunscreen, not all those sunscreen that good sunscreen. Now, listing all these products, how do I pair it? I know someone will be like, man, you have a lot of products up here. Which one should I use? How do I pair it? If I decide to use all these products, how do I pair it? Please, do I just have to buy everything and start using? No. The very first thing you need to get is this salicylic plus niacinamide face wash. You don't have to use this every day. You just use it at night. And then you can get another mild face wash, either from Face Fats. We have their hyaluronic acid plus oats. We have their niacinamide plus hyaluronic acid. You can get any of them and then pair it with this. Please use this only at night. Use this only at night. And then after your face wash, what next should I use? Get this simple. Get this simple. You mustn't get this. You mustn't get this. But if you feel like getting to two, or maybe 2 times in a week, you use this one at night and then you use this during the day, that's also fine. But you guys know that skincare products are very expensive. You don't have lots of money to start throwing around because you want to get your skin fine. No, no. Get this or you get this. Now, the next thing is what? Get a good toner. You can get a hydrating toner. You can get, this is not a hydrating toner, but you can get this. This is the one I use and it's really, really nice. So what, after using this, the next thing you go in with, it's your toner. And after your toner, what next do you use? What next do you use? What next do you use? You use this. And after using this, you use this. You use this ceramide serum. You use this niacinamide serum. This is going to help calm down irritation. Why this is also going to help with your dark spots. Okay? And then after using this, what next should I use? Go in with this. Use your azelaic acid. Use your azelaic acid, pea size. Don't just get everything, just pea size and then touch it all over your face and rub it in. Allow it to sit. Please, when you're using these products, once you use your serum, just give it a few minutes to sink in and then you go in with your azelaic acid. Allow it to sink in. Once you're done, the next thing you use is your moisturizer. You can use this or you can use this. Any of these two moisturizers are very, very good. You can use any of them. Anyone you're able to get, any of them, that is what you use. This is for what? This is for nights. This is for nights. Then during the day, what do you use? Remember I said face fats, any other face fats, face wash or simple face wash or any other face wash that does not contain active. Any other face wash that does not contain what? Active. You can get it and then pair them with these ones that I've given you. This is for morning. After using your face wash, what next do you use? Use any of the moisturizer that I brought up. After then, you also go with these two serum. And after these two serum, what next? The moisturizer and then your face cream. This face cream is, see, this face cream here is very, very nice. You don't need to break a bank to get any of this product I brought up. It's very, very nice. If you can't afford so many products, just lay your hands on this. This is very, very hydrating, very, very moisturizing. And after then, what next do? You use your sunscreen. You cannot use all these products without making use of your sunscreen. It's a must. Sunscreen is a must. So if you use any of this product that I brought up, trust me, your acne is going to go away. Your acne is going to go away. And remember, this azelaic acid, you have to calm down. Don't be in a hurry when using azelaic acid. Just trust the process and trust me, you're going to love your face. From 1 month, 2 months, you start seeing results. I'm going to put up my picture of my face when I was battling acne, when I was battling serious acne. This is what I used and it got the job done. Now you can start using this once a week for beginners. Once a week, and then you just don't be in a rush. Once a week, and you observe to see how your face accepted it. If your face is okay with it, you can go up to 2 times a week, 3 times a week, depending on how your face reacts with this. And please note that this is going to stink your face for the first 2 weeks. It's going to stink your face. So in case you start experiencing something like this, just know that it's normal. Don't throw it away and be like, oh, what's going on? No. It's normal. After the first 2 weeks, you won't experience it anymore. And another thing is, same with this moisturizer. The first time I use this moisturizer, it actually stinks my face. But after the first, second day, it stopped stinking. So when you experience all these things, just know that it's normal. Don't Don't fidget. Don't say, what's going on. It's normal, okay? So if you have another question or you want me to make any other video concerning any particular skin concern, drop on the comment section and I'll make the video. Love you guys. Bye.